Hello folks, it's the Wolf Hunter. Package just arrived from Hunter's Lodge. I ordered a SKS from James because I saw the Casual Collector did a video on two that he picked up from Hunter's Lodge. And I said, what the heck, I gotta take a chance. So I ordered one and it came in today. If you get a chance, check out the Casual Collector on items he received from Hunter's Lodge. Did a good job with showing what he has, and here I am to show you mine. Hold on. So this is what I got. I opened the box with the Italian boxing glove, and this is what I received. Like the Casual Collector, mine didn't come with a safety, but James included one. And I also ordered, if you see my other videos, I ordered several revolvers, and one of them was a Model 10, and I ordered a 2-inch parts kit to go with it. Well, they sent me a parts kit, but it had a 4-inch ejector rod and cylinder pin, and I asked James, I ordered a 2-inch, and here it is right here, and there's the invoice. And here's the frog gigger, but overall not bad. I ordered a Chi-Com one because I like the chrome line barrel, and this is what I got. Not bad, not bad at all. Let's see. What do we got here? 30, what is that? 3803. Spin it around. 3803. Okay, it is a Chi-Com. Number 26. Stock's in a really good shape. Let's see. Nice butt plate. No cleaning kit, but I'm not really concerned about that. Got a crack right here, but it's no issue. Trigger housing don't match. Excuse the EMS going by. It's that time of the day. It does match. Got some stencil writing there. Oh, not bad. I'm very pleased with what I got. There's that other crack right here. But overall, the wood is really nice. Really, way to go, James. Another good one. Appreciate it. See, there's the frog gigger. There's a cylinder. And I received the safety with it. What did I do with it? Right here, folks. It was on the floor. So, another good order from James. I'm very pleased. It does look good. Not a lot of dings and dangs and bings in the stock. Really clean. This should clean up real good. Okay, yeah. Another win from Hunter's Lodge. So give James a call. And prices may vary on condition. So ask him, see what he's got. A lot of stuff they don't advertise. So if you see something that you're thinking of something that you might want, ask him. See if he has it. He'll either tell you yes or he'll tell you no. And like I didn't see any of these advertised until I saw the Casual Collector did a video on it. So I asked James and he says, yes, we have them. So give him a call if you're interested. Like I said, prices and condition may vary. Oh, and if you like the video, just give me that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed for me. It'll help me out for sure, so I can bring more of these videos to you. And then I'm going to do a video on the cleanup. Let's see. I got a rotator cuff injury, folks, so it's kind of hard to work with the bad arm here. It needs to be cleaned up. There we go. But I'll do a cleanup video and see what she looks like. I'll take her down and post that video. So until next time, as always, stay safe, watch your six. May God bless America, and I stand with the people of Ukraine and the people of Israel. Have a good day, folks.